Today you are going to learn how to use border radius property in CSS. Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials World. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to get web development lessons daily. In our previous video, we discussed about border style property in CSS. If you haven't watched that video yet, the link can be found in the description below. We use border radius property to curve the borders of the element. So let's go ahead and curve some borders. First, open up our external style sheet. Let's add border radius property to this class. Border hyphen radius colon 10 pixels and semicolon. And again, this will curve the border by 10 pixels. Let's remove this border style line because we don't need it. Let's save this code and refresh the web page. Now you can see we got our nice and clean border with some radius. Now the next thing that I want to point out is you can also add this property to selected corners of the border. So we can create a property called border hyphen top hyphen left hyphen radius colon 10 pixels and semicolon. And let's copy this line and change this to bottom and right. Okay, let's go ahead and save this. There you can see the radius only applied to the top left side and bottom right side of the border. So you see how that's work. Also they have top right property and bottom left property as well. You can use this radius property and create nice styles inside the web page. Comment if you have anything to ask. Subscribe to the channel to get web development lessons daily. And I will see you guys in the next lesson.